Hi guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about a salad dressing that I love. It's Olde Cape Cod honey Dijon dressing and marinade, fat-free. So a little bit about the Olde Cape Cod honey Dijon. What attracted me to this is, I know this is like so silly, but I love Cape Cod. It was my parents used to take me and my brother there when we were kids growing up, and we used to do whale watching, and they have this really fun town called Provincetown there, and it's such a great place. So when I love Cape Cod potato chips as well. So when I saw this bottle, I was like, oh, I'm like, Cape Cod. I'm like, I gotta try that. So I know that's like very random, but that's what attracted me to it in the supermarket. So I also really like that the bottle is glass rather than like the plastic bottles that most dressings come in. This is a 8-ounce container. I actually don't really love honey Dijon mustard, honey Dijon dressing with my salad. I know that's like a salad dressing. I love it with, when I used to eat chicken cutlets, I used to eat it with chicken cutlets or put it on like chicken cutlet sandwich. But now I eat Morningstar Farms chicken patties. They're like these vegan, vegetarian chicken patties are delicious. But anyway, I love honey Dijon on them. And I love honey Dijon with fresh raw vegetables. Like I love to dip carrots in it, celery, broccoli, cauliflower. It's really good like that. But of course it's good on your salad dressing too if you like that. You could, I guess you could marinate a grilled chicken or something in there too. Would probably taste good. So it's no high fructose corn syrup, which is great. I like that they have that on the label, like so it makes it stick out more compared to some other dressings. Nutrition facts. Serving size is 2 tablespoons, 50 calories, about 8 servings per container, 120 milligrams of sodium, 12 grams of carbs, and 9 grams of sugars. So it's a great marinade for chicken or pork. So you can use chicken or pork with it. One thing that I saw that I'm not a great fan of is it is produced with genetic engineering, so it's not GMO free, but it's still really a great dressing and something that you could use to, like, you know, it's versatile. You could use it for many different things. For ingredients, there's water, sugar, Dijon mustard, water, mustard seed, distilled vinegar, salt, white wine, citric acid, tartaric acid, turmeric, and spices. Distilled vinegar, maltodextrin, honey, cider vinegar, buttermilk. Contains less than 2% of spice, dried onion, mustard bran, Xanthan gum, Guar gum, modified gum arabic, natural flavor, calcium to sodium, EDTA to protect flavor, a trivial amount of fat, and contains milk. So I actually really enjoyed that I could be able to read these ingredients to you and not be like stumbling over all the words like I usually am when I'm reading ingredient listings. Usually I'm like, oh my god, I can't even pronounce that. So yeah, I like that I could pronounce all the ingredients in this and then I could use it. It's very versatile for many different things. Of course, you have to refrigerate it once it's opened. It's kind of thick but kind of thin. Like I've had other honey mustards that are definitely on the thicker side. I'm going to be picky here, but I do prefer bottles that have like the little spout, like the round little spout in them, so you don't have to like you know, when I'm pouring this out, it could like potentially, I could pour more out than I want to because it doesn't have that little easy dispenser spout, but that's okay. Just got to be careful with it, that's all. Oh, and it smells really good too. It smells delish. So yeah, that's Olde Cape Cod honey Dijon dressing and marinade, completely fat-free. You guys are looking for something delicious with like a little bit of like a sweet Dijon mustard flavor for your salad, for your chicken, vegetables, pork, whatever the case is. This is a really, really great dressing for this. And I guess, I mean, on top of the bottle being recyclable, you could probably reuse it for other things as well, which is kind of nice. So you could buy it for a 6-pack online too, I believe, if you want to get a couple of them. So it's a little creamy, but not too much. I don't know if I'd really consider it like an actual creamy dressing, but it has a little bit of a creaminess there, and I really enjoy it. I think it's so delicious, and every time I have like family over or people for dinner, and I have it out on the table I make an awesome salad, by the way. I put all these dressings out, and this is always probably the favorite on the table. So I hope you guys try out Olde Cape Cod Honey Dijon dressing and marinade, and I hope you love it. Thanks so much for watching.